I unquestionably support the Justice and Unity Slate. The Justice and Unity Slate is the most progressive state without question. They have demonstrated that in many different ways. I support this slate because they are about progressive programming. They're about the retention of the present structure of progressive programming, and certainly progressive programming that affects all aspects of our community, whether it involves police brutality, whether it involves the whole question of housing or whatever the issue that impacts upon us. And of course, there are a number of individuals who are part of this slate who have very formidable, positively formidable backgrounds. For example, Omar Wale Clay has been a community organizer for years. Tibby Brooks has been an integral part of the coalition to free Mumia Abu-Jamal. And there are other individuals from this very diverse slate that comes from the Latino community, organizers in the Latino community. So it's a well-balanced slate. And they have attempted to institute a program of continuing progressiveness, and they recognize the importance of supporting progressive radio by supporting those individuals who are maintaining progressive radio at WBAI at this very moment. On the other hand, you have individuals who come from other slates who have attempted to engage in diversionary tactics, engage in tactics that tend to serve as a basis for dismantling the progressive efforts that are being made by the Justice and Unity slate. And of course, these individuals have engaged in such activities as attempting to stigmatize unfairly those individuals who are part of this progressive programming at WBAI. And when responded to, appropriately so, by those members of the Justice Unity slate, then they react by saying that the Justice and Unity slate members who respond to them in an appropriate manner are engaging in anti-white behavior. Of course, these are diversionary tactics that are employed for purposes of interfering and obstructing the overall progressive mission of the station itself, and of course, and the programming. And I'm particularly talking about the programming. And so the Justice and Unity slate has engaged in a program of preservation of what are the ideals of WBAI, and of course those ideals have been translated into progressing and protecting those individuals who are part of progressive programming at WBAI. That's why I support this slate.